More is effectiveness. Senedd, 15 years of empowering more.
1997 saw the birth of one man's vision. A vision called Senedd. A vision that has transcended borders. The success of Senedd stemmed from one single philosophy, a philosophy of being more than one, simply put, plural. This attitude of being plural, where we is more important than I, where us is more valuable than me, where each individual works in unison for the success of the whole, where more means that many more minds putting in more effort, resulting in that much more advancement. More is energy. More is effectiveness. This unique ability to be cohesive and work towards a common goal while empowering more highlights the significance and success of being plural.
Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It would appear there is more of me than is visible. I, me, and myself. I am plural. That might seem a little fanciful, a little stretched, but the idea is nevertheless important and relevant to this occasion. While it is a celebratory event, 15 years, it isn't just a marking of time that is relevant. The images that were captured and presented on screen does, in fact, tell a story. It might very well be mentioned here and now that Senedd, or with Senedd, there are no employees. There are Senedians. And for the individuals that make up that group of Senedians, they have all to be fired by the same spark. And that is a vital aspect of this sense of being plural. Everyone works with a common idea. They've been fired by what we refer to as the Senedd culture. You will perhaps feel and hear more about that in the next few minutes. But all of them have to be inspired by that idea that they are achievers, that they are accountable. Nobody pushes anyone, but they have to drive themselves because, like the wildebeest, who are very particular about preserving the next generation, they all have decided to move in that great migration to the place where there are pastures and where there is water. And that is how the momentum is delivered. So accountable, innovators. Nobody is pushing anyone to create, but they do that because that's the way to excel. They are all customer-oriented, team-oriented, and passionate. It isn't about the money. And now we have understood that over this period of 15 years, Senedd has transcended the customary borders. Why? To make more money? No. The idea is that that which is Sri Lankan can be seen to be global and likewise excellent, as good as any out there. So whether it is in the mobile or whether it is in technology that affects HR, that's been the driving force. And it was mentioned in the earlier part of the presentation that it was one man's vision. Indeed, it has now seen that sense of being plural because it is much wider, and you'll hear more of it from the one who has lent his name, albeit in reverse order, has lent his name to the organization. Dinesh Sapramadu, who we will now invite to the lectern, and you no doubt will hear him as he speaks. Dinesh.
Good evening, warm welcome for Senate 15th anniversary celebration. It is a true celebration and more an appreciation of our customers. I take this opportunity to recognize and thank our customers for placing your trust in us, to serve you and to continue serving you. Especially at early stage, you took a risk in placing your faith in us, and I thank you for that. Your trust and confidence made us who we are today. As we celebrate 15 years, I vividly remember the humble beginnings. Senate started with 3 employees in a small office at Ward Place, given rent-free by my mother. And today, we have grown over 350 employees, and our systems run in 24 countries, and we have over 650 customers. Senate has a simple vision, where each individual is empowered to do their best and to be their best, all the while working towards a common goal. Empower more. Our 15th anniversary logo encompasses this very well. With our philosophy to do your best and to be your best, we have empowered our employees to bring the best in them, which has enabled us to be a global company. The exposure they get by traveling to all corners of the world have made them global ambassadors of Senate as well as Sri Lanka. During our journey, we have touched many lives, especially our employees, my extended family. As a team, we have accomplished so much that none of us could have done individually, which is the theme for this 15th anniversary, plural, where we is more important than I, where us is more valuable than me, has been our mantra. As part of the 15th anniversary, Senate is planning and have already set up a Senate Foundation to focus on building and enhancing knowledge throughout Sri Lanka. And part of this, we will donate 15 libraries. And I'm very proud to say, last week we did 2. And the first one we did in Point Pedro in Jaffna, and the second one was in Vallavaya in Monaragla. This is our commitment to enhance the knowledge economy in Sri Lanka. As we step to the next chapter of Senate, we plan to build on the foundation we have laid in the last 15 years. We will continue our global expansion with local partnership in those countries and to become a true Sri Lankan indigenous multinational. Our commitment to our customers is our highest priority. As our customers and supporters of Senate, your continued support and encouragement is very much appreciated. We look forward for the next decade with you. Last but not least, I want to thank my family, my wife Darshini, my daughter Dishnira, and my son Dilen for supporting me in all these years. And it has not been easy, as you may know. Again, thank you all for coming and enjoy the celebration. And we really do appreciate your presence here. Thank you very much.
More is effectiveness. Senate, 15 years of empowering more.